Okay, so here's how you add numbers in Excel. So this is what the formula looks like. I'm just going to select this cell right here, double tap on it so I can type. You want to type equals, then left click on your first cell that you want to add, then write a plus sign like so, and then select the other cell you want to add like so. Now, after you have written this formula, I repeat, equals, left click on the first cell, plus, left click on the second cell. You can press enter and it is going to add the numbers for us. If you want to extend this further down and use the same formula, all we have to do is drag, go here to the bottom right corner and just drag it down like so. And it is going to apply the same formula for these numbers as well, and it is going to add them like so. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.